error here with the engine noise, which I showed in the beginning of the video. So it was failed hydraulic tensioner. I found once I pulled the timing belt timing covers off. So I'm just showing where the timing marks are now. I have installed new timing belt. That's the left-hand bank cam mark. This is the right-hand bank cam mark, and that's where the crankshaft mark is. So once you get the timing marks correct, so one of the main purpose of this video here, I'm going to show how to tension the hydraulic tensioner correctly. So I'll attach the on the description the torque specs and the tool numbers and whatever the requirements needed. So the way I'm showing now, if you adjust this tensioner pulley on the wrong position, you will get the timing belt bigger slack, and there may be chance to jump the timing. So I use a special tool, or people can use long nose plier or custom made tools to turn the tensioner clockwise, not anti-clockwise, clockwise. That's the important step. And then tied the 14 mil bolt in the middle. So I use the when the hydraulic tensioner pin is free, that means the adjustment done properly. So once you do the adjustment and once you tied the center bolt, you can pull the hydraulic tensioner pin out. So I'm just trying to make sure the tensioner bolt is tightened properly. So even when you check that, you need to use the tool to hold the actual tensioner pulley and then tight the center bolt. Removing the hydraulic tensioner pin, and the next step is I'm gonna turn the engine for 2 rounds and just to make sure everything okay, and after that putting all the timing covers and all the remote parts back together, and then start engine. So this is how I turn the engine. So the only important part is the timing marks and how